meeting of the Legislative Party has begun. The Vidhayak Dal right now sitting in, discussing, deliberating on those two names that were shortlisted. What we can tell you now, a word also coming in. The new Chief Minister name might be announced at 12 noon, but the oath will only happen when the assembly session begins. It will not happen today. And along with, the newly minted Delhi CM, two cabinet ranks will also be filled in, as one would be already a cabinet rank holder who would be making the shift to the Chief Minister's post, and there is already a post vacant. So there are two which will be vacant. But having said that, that's just a side detail. What we can tell you, the new Chief Minister will not take oath today, Amit. News coming in, it will be before the assembly session.
Yes, Preeti, and you will also have to understand as to why that is happening is because in Delhi's case the situation is a bit complex. Arvind Kejriwal will meet the LG around 4:30 today, and he'll hand over his resignation to the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena, and this will be routed to the President as well. And till the time that acceptance does not come from the President's office, you cannot have oath-taking ceremony happening immediately. And for oath-taking ceremony, when the support letter is handed over to the LG, the similar process will be followed up, after which through the President's office, the LG office will be intimated, and after that the time slot for that particular oath-taking will be officially announced. And yes, the Aam Aadmi Party is all set to call the assembly session on 26th and 27th of September. So you will have a return of what we saw in Jharkhand Assembly as well. When Hemant Soren had resigned, he met the governor of the state, handed over his resignation letter and also the support letter for Champai Soren back then. And after this, you had the Jharkhand Assembly session which was called, and Hemant Soren had a full-fledged speech to give to his electorate, to his party leaders and cadres, to give across a complete message as to why this decision was taken. So a similar template is also being followed in the national capital. However, in this particular case, you have Arvind Kejriwal, who has walked out of the Tihar jail as a free man. He has come out on a regular bail in the CBI case and on interim bail in the ED case. So he does not have scarcity of time. But this will be done so that he can also have his own, agenda to cover during the assembly election. So that is a big development. But as we speak, right now in this particular meeting, there's another breaking which is coming from inside the Legislative Party meeting. Preeti, Sandeep Pathak, the organizational secretary of the Aam Aadmi Party, is speaking to these MLAs right now. This is a big development. The meeting was called by Pankaj Gupta, the National General Secretary of the party. The meeting has just started. The MLAs are inside, Mantris are inside. And what we are given to understand through our sources is that the organizational secretary of Aam Aadmi Party, Sandeep Pathak, is briefing the MLAs. And possibly this is the brief about why Arvind Kejriwal had to step down as the Chief Minister of Delhi, and why this entire process of electing a new Chief Minister, or rather the new leader of the Legislative Party, is being carried out. So on India Today, we are bringing every news break that is happening inside the CM residence right now, and we are making sure that we tell our viewers ahead of any other network right now. And the big development, the Legislative Party meeting is going on. Sandeep Pathak is briefing these MLAs who are part of this meeting. Preeti.